Hi friends, it's Miss Slack and Mrs. Myers, and we're here to show you how you can change around your Zoom view. So right here, I can see Mrs. Myers and myself, and if we had other people in our class, I'd be able to see them. If I go up here to this corner and click Speaker View, that means I only look at whoever is speaking. So Mrs. Myers' face is really big. Smile, Mrs. Myers. And if I go back up here and click on Gallery View, then it makes us both the same size and I can see everyone. So this is a really good way to see everyone and change how your view is. But Mrs. Myers is going to share her screen now, and we're going to see that that kind of changes how things look. So now you can see that my screen has completely changed, and I have this Module 1 Lesson 0 really big in the middle, and then I have us over here on the side. But sometimes I'm going to need to move things around because I'm going to have to scroll or something else. So what I can do is I can move these people around and anything else so that I'm still looking at what I need to look at, and I'm able to scroll and move around and see everything I need to see. And then when Mrs. Myers stops sharing her screen, it can go back to this, and I can decide to just look at her beautiful face, or I can look at both of our beautiful faces and go from there.